Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing some crucial skincare mistakes to avoid. Mistakes I wish someone had warned me about sooner. Skincare is a journey, right? And like any journey, it's all about learning what works for you and what doesn't. So, let's dive in together and make sure you're getting the best out of your routine without any of the common pitfalls. Our first mistake: piling on too many products. I used to believe the more products, the better. But I quickly realized my skin felt overwhelmed and irritated. Less is more, guys. Start simple, then slowly add products as you see how your skin responds. If there's one thing you should never skip, it's sunscreen. I can't stress this enough. I know it's easy to overlook, especially if you're indoors, but sun damage can happen anytime you're exposed to daylight. Sunscreen is your skin's best friend in the fight against premature aging and pigmentation. I used to think one size fits all when it came to products, but oh, was I wrong? Your skin type matters, whether it's oily, dry, or sensitive. Knowing your skin type can help you choose products that work with your skin, not against it. I get it. Sometimes you just want that deep, clean feeling, but scrubbing too hard or using harsh exfoliants can do more harm than good. Be gentle with your skin. Treat it like it's delicate. Listen, I know patch testing seems like an extra step, but I learned the hard way that skipping it can lead to irritation or even breakouts. Always test new products on a small area of skin before applying them all over your face. This one's so important. Consistency is key. Switching products too quickly or skipping your routine doesn't give your skin a chance to adjust. Just stick to a routine, give it time, and remember, patience is the secret ingredient in every skincare routine. So there you have it, the skincare mistakes to avoid if you want to get the most out of your routine. Remember, skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. Treat your skin with love, be patient, and it will repay you with that healthy, glowing look we all crave. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. See you in the next video.